और दीगर खबरों में आपको बताएं तो सहाफ़ी ने बरतानवी वज़ीर आज़म को खरी खरी सुना दी। सहाफ़ी के सवालों और तज्जिए के जवाब में बोरिस जॉनसन को कोई जवाब ना दे सके, खामोशी से सुनते रहे। सहाफ़ी ने कहा कि बरतानवी वज़ीर आज़म खौफज़दा हो गए हैं और पाबंदियों से जंग बंदी नामुमकिन है। यूक्रेन को बचाने के लिए आगे आना होगा।
So you are coming to Poland. You are not coming to Kiev, Prime Minister. You are not coming to Lviv because you are afraid. Because NATO is not willing to defend. Because NATO is afraid of World War III. But it is already started. And these are Ukrainian children who are there taking the hit. You're talking about more sanctions, Prime Minister. But Roman Abramovich is not sanctioned. He's in London. His children are not in the bombardments. His children are there in London. Putin's children are in Netherlands, in Germany, in mansions. Where are all these mansions seized? I don't see that. I see that my family members, that my team members are saying that we are crying. We don't have where to run. This is what is happening, Prime Minister.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।